Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy Fallen here for Sputnik Entertainment. And one of the biggest questions I get frequently is that how am I able to afford such a big variety of different photography, videography, all things creative gear? And the answer to that is a little bit complicated. To be honest, I've been collecting gear for 6, 7 years now on frequent basis. Also, sometimes we work with companies and brands that provide us gear to review and use. But I also purchased a lot of the gear myself, and of course, it becomes very expensive because photography and videography gear oftentimes is not very cheap. So, to try to save a few dollars, I did try to do my research. Where can you get some cheap gear? And I'll be going over a couple of those resources with you guys today. So Adorama is stop one, and they have recently launched a Creators Gear Up program focusing on college students, and I think it's a great resource. And I just want to give you guys a quick guide on that, my thoughts on it, and how you can become a member of it. Join our exclusive college student discount program designed to help you get the gear you need for your studies, creative passions, and everything else in between. And you would click the link if you are interested in signing up, and it will verify you being a student using Sheer ID program. So step one is you need to have a basic Adorama buyer account, their kind of account with Adorama.com. Then you will fill out the Sheer ID online verification form. Step three is that you will get a message if you are verified or if you need to submit some additional documents. And step four, you get the deals. And they're working with some amazing companies like Sony, Fujifilm, Flashpoint, Manfrotto, Tamron, Sigma, Hasselblad, Westcott, Zeiss, and Chimera Lighting. So they have a wide variety of gear, and sponsors, of course, all the time change and develop. And hopefully this list is going to keep growing. And they have some FAQs out here as well that I'm going to talk to you through. Who is eligible? All students currently enrolled in U.S. degree granting college or university of higher education. How do I create an account and sign up? And it kind of talks to you about what I talk to you. How do I get verified? We'll ask you some basic personal information through our partner Share ID. They may ask you to upload some documents to make sure that you're a college student. And it kind of goes through what kind of documents they might be, like your first name, your last name, like your school name, your college ID, or maybe a letter from your college saying that you're attending it. And how long does it take to be verified? And how do you know? If you're verified, you'll be verified immediately, which is a great deal. And then, of course, if they require some additional documents, they'll notify you of that as well. And of course, they have their privacy policy statement. A lot of people are very protective about their personal information. You can't blame people for doing so. What products and brands are discounted, and we went over a few of them. How much is the discount? From what I heard, it ranges anywhere from 10 to 40%. I have a couple of friends and colleagues that are part of this program, and that's the range they've seen. Of course, it can vary at any time, but whenever you can save some money, it's a great day. Do I need to sign up using my school issued email address? No, you can use any email to register for Adorama account and to verify your student status. So if your university doesn't provide you a student email address, or if you just don't have access to it, you can still sign up. How long will I be verified for? And it's to last you a year. And it kind of talks about if you can stack Adorama rewards and other program benefits. And right now, it's not the case. Of course, it'd be lovely if you can stack multiple benefits together. And if there is something that you might have a question about, they have their customer service information. So this is the first step, is that, like I said, Adorama recently launched this program to save and to help students save some money, especially with everything that's going on right now. And I think it's a great program to join if you're eligible. Now, if you're not a student or if you're not interested in joining, Adorama also has their deals of the day that they rotate on daily basis. And that is how I bought a lot of gear from them over the years. And if you're interested in checking it out yourself, you'll go to adorama.com/daily deals, and they have daily deals populate every single day Monday through Sunday at 10 a.m. Eastern or 7 a.m. Pacific, right on the dot. So to make sure that you're not missing out on any special deals, I recommend checking out this section every single day. That's what I do. Oftentimes I wake up, and if I wake up past 10 a.m., the first thing I do is check out Adorama's daily deal of the day, because if you look at it, they have some crazy deals. So right now, for today, they have Alexa Professional 128 gigabyte SD card deal, which is a 2-pack, going for $59.95 versus $84, which is a $24 discount, which equates to 29%. And also they have a Tokina 14 to 20 millimeter f2.0 for either a Nikon or a Canon mount. So you get $140 off this lens. So think about $140. That's a lot of money if you're trying to save some gear, or how much gear can you buy for that additional $140. Now they do specialize in different categories on a daily basis. They have a lighting deal, a lighting day. They might have a computer day. They have a lens and camera day. So every day has a theme associated with it. So sometimes it might be a day that you're not interested in buying the gear from, but then check back the next day and you can grab yourself a great deal. Now, of course, one of the biggest competitors to Adorama is B&H Photo and Video. I've been shopping with them even longer than I've been shopping on Adorama, and B&H has their Deal Zone program as well that rotates every single day at midnight Eastern. So if we'll take a look at today's deals, we have a couple wonderful and pretty interesting deals. We have a small HD studio monitor bundle. It normally will set you back close to $4,200. Right now it's going for $3,200, and it will expire in 4 hours and 38 minutes pretty much. They have a low pro backpack, which is a camera backpack, going for $44.88, and you save $80. Originally $124. They have a RAV power banks that are going in a wide variety of colors at 50% discount, and they had an LED light panel that is a cold shoe that was $20 off, but it already sold out. So a lot of times deals do sell out, especially on B&H's site. Now I definitely want to mention something. So this is where online marketing plays in the role. So just because you might see $80 off, now after midnight, does that mean that this deal is going to go back to $124? It might, and I might not. So that's why, or it may not, with an asterisk. So original price of this product is $124, but oftentimes you might find out that they're just overall trying to get rid of this particular product. They may have an overstock, or this product might be a little bit older. So it might increase in price, but you do not know how much it might increase in price for. So make sure that you search prices online, so to make sure that what is the average price. So we're going to do that right now. So we're going to throw this backpack into Google, and you get an idea of how much it's going for. So we're going to go quickly into shopping tab, and we see right now it's going for $44.88, which is the B&H daily deal. And let's see if we can find it once again on other websites. So there's not a lot of them happening. I did see it be mentioned on Adorama's website for $124. So yep, the same exact backpack is going for $124 on Adorama. On eBay, it's going $30 used. B&H, it's going for that. So let's just make a quick comparison on eBay and see if it's available on there. And it's going for $49.95 for $10. Let's check out the brand new units. $49, $64, $49, $79, and a bunch of prices $100 and up. So is it a great deal? It's still a great deal because we have not seen anything around the $44 price tag. So I just thought I would share a few of my tips of how do I hunt for bargains when it comes to photography, videography, gear, accessories, all things creative. You can grab yourself a lovely deal if you check out a daily deal of the day on Adorama and B&H. If you guys like these kind of videos where I give you a little bit of a inside look of what I do and how do I obtain gear, where do I obtain gear, and you want me to make some videos about it in the future, let me know. If you want to stay in touch with me, all the social links are in the description, and stay tuned for the wrap-up video tomorrow. Thank you guys very much for all the love and support, and I'll see you then.